Buying leather from Amazon can be a bit of a shot in the dark. You never really know what you're going to get. Today, I'm reviewing this leather from Amazon to see if this piece is actually worth the price tag. I just picked up this HADZAM full grain leather, and taking a first look at the quality has me really excited for my next project. This is the full grain cowhide in the coffee black color, specifically the 12 by 24 inch sheet. That size is currently going for about $21.99, which puts it at a really competitive price point for a piece of this dimension and thickness. The very first test is always the smell test, and this piece passes. It has that rich, unmistakable scent of quality leather. Right out of the packaging, you can tell that it has been oil tanned, giving it a great feel and nice firm texture. This piece is 2 millimeters thick, which, for those of us who work in ounces, is right at the versatile 5-ounce weight. This weight is ideal because it's heavy enough for structured projects, but still easy to work with on accessories. Looking closely at the surface, the texture is soft and smooth. It has the natural variation you want from full grain, but I did notice a few small creases and light surface cracks that could be a sign of the leather being a bit dehydrated or dried out. It's nothing major, but something to keep in mind if you're expecting premium grade material. On Amazon, it's advertised as specifically tooling leather, which means it should take a stamp and carve really well. When it comes to the feel or the temper, this leather has a really good balance. It has a medium temper, meaning it feels soft in your hands, but is also stiff enough to hold its shape. For three-dimensional projects, like holsters or wallets, it naturally resists wrinkling, and because of the tanning process, it has some natural water-resistant properties. Overall, I'd say this leather is incredibly versatile for the workshop. It's ideal for hobbyists or anyone just getting started in the craft, but if you're a professional or making high-end products, you might want to invest in something from a dedicated tannery instead. And if you want to see how this leather actually performs in a real project, I'll be making a follow-up video soon putting it to the test, so stay tuned for that. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll include my affiliate link in the description. Purchasing through that link helps support the channel and lets me keep creating videos just like this. Also, if you've ever bought leather from Amazon, drop a comment and let me know how your experience was. I'd love to hear about it and how it went. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.